Today we're going to be showing the Knapheide KMT, which is Knapheide mechanics truck. We'll start here in the first compartment. We've got a nice C-Tech drawer unit in here. Over the wheel well here, we've got a Sortimo bin set for more parts storage for you. Then the rear compartment is just your standard shelves, 2 shelves there. Headed to the rear here, we've got the new Master Lock system, which is what we do on our aluminum bodies. It's got a molded handle, ergonomically better than what we've had before. We've got the outriggers here, which are full hydraulic. We've got a nice workbench bumper here with steps. The cargo area there with your tie downs already there. Again, everything is spray lined from top to bottom. We've got the hydraulic compressor on the top as well. Trailer hitch, trailer plug, your hose reel here, 50 foot of hose reel. This is the compartment where everything happens. Push button controls here, and you have your outrigger controls here. So this outrigger will go out and down. That one just goes straight down. Standard shelving over the wheel well here, and then the tall compartment for your bottles. So this is the new Stellar 8630 crane, which will be kind of a new standard for the Knapheide KMTs moving forward. If you'd like to learn more about this product or any of the other products here, refer to the website, www.knapheide.com.